Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text bold, italic at a time in Adobe Illustrator. Open your Illustrator file. Now select Windows option and Active Control option. Now select Type tool, Type tool. Now click on this text and press Ctrl A. You can choose whole paragraph. Now select font style. You have to choose Arial option. Now select sub font style. Here you will find this bold and italic option at a time, and see this bold and italic font already applied. Also I will apply here bold and italic. Press Ctrl A. Now select here bold italic. Also you can make text only italic. Also you can apply here only bold as you like. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.